Okay, so I figured out what's wrong with it. See this little piece here? This came off for some reason. See, it broke off right there on the end. And it just sets in there. See these little 3 prongs there? They set in right on there and they touch that thing to make a connection there. So that's the problem. I don't know how, I have no idea how that came off. He must have dropped it or something. But I'm going to attempt to solder the prongs to this thing here, because that's what gives it the power. And then from that we should be good to go. And actually, as a matter of fact, I was going to put this thing in here and have it like that, but I'm actually going to solder these wires directly to it, and we won't need this thing anymore because this is kind of finicky. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get this party started. If I'm not in the way. So now that's soldered, I had written down black, white, red, so I knew the order. Black, white, red. All right, now technically this should work. If it doesn't, then it means I need these things to have a connection, which wouldn't really make much sense. So, moment of truth. Do my other hand. Huzzah! My theory was correct. Look at that. So yeah, now that that's soldered on, you don't have to deal with this little finicky piece, because that was your problem area here. It just broke off because it's plastic. I don't know how that happened. It shouldn't have been moving, but if you dropped it or something, I guess that was possible. But yeah, your Retroid is restored. That'll be $100. Thanks. Just kidding. But yeah. It's working beautifully. That's a wrap, guys.